According to the National Weather Service, the storm system that came into Michigan in the southwest corner of the state and moved east toward Ann Arbor, Detroit, and the Thumb produced a string of severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings as it spun across the state.
A rare tornado struck the southern Chilean city of Puerto Varas on the afternoon of May 25, 2025, unleashing significant destruction across downtown and surrounding neighborhoods.
The NWS office in Kent County measured an 81 miles per hour gust at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport, while one spot in Berrien County in southwest Michigan measured at 78 miles per hour gust. Destructive, straight-line winds were also reported. There was even a report of a 96 miles per hour gust in Jackson County. The National Weather Service was looking into the veracity of that one, but it appears to be accurate. That would be one of the strongest winds in years in Michigan, MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa said during a live broadcast of the storm moving across Michigan. There were reports of possible injuries when a tree fell on a trailer in Jackson County and another tree hit a home in Stockbridge.
Meteorological Authority classified the tornado as an EF1, with estimated wind speeds between 138 and 178 kilometers per hour, equivalent to 86 to 111 miles per hour.
In Kalamazoo County, some mobile homes were damaged by trees. There was debris reported on roadways, trees were reported down, and high-intensity rain flooded some roadways. Scattered power outages, downed power lines, and hail were also reported. There were some reports of possible tornadoes on the ground during these severe storms, but none have yet been confirmed by the National Weather Service. 19,000 Michigan electricity customers were without power at 11 p.m., according to outage maps, including outages from an earlier ice storm in northern Michigan and later from storms that hit lower Michigan. DTE Energy reported 34,988 power outages.
The tornado formed around 3:15 p.m. local time, leaving behind an unusual path of damage rarely witnessed in this region.
Consumers Energy, 190,508. Presque Isle Electric and Gas Co-op, 32,071. Alpena Power, 16,447. And Great Lakes Energy, which serves western northern Michigan from the tip of the state to Holland, reported 45,257 outages. Fans attending the Ultra Music Festival endured flooded streets and a pause in programming due to thunderstorms, but kept on partying, according to Miami local media. On Sunday, the National Weather Service's Storm Prediction Center warned of enhanced risk of severe weather, possible tornadoes, very large hail, and heavy downpours of rain. valleys leading into the region, where Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas were hit, Detroit, Indianapolis, Memphis and Nashville, Tennessee, Chicago, Dallas, and Cleveland are all in the risk area. Storms could linger past midnight for the Ohio and Tennessee valleys.
Residents captured dramatic footage showing rooftops being stripped from multi-story buildings, including what appeared to be hotels.
The severe weather, including the possibility of quarter-sized hail, tornadoes, and damaging winds, will target the east and southeast on Monday, impacting 69 million from Louisiana to New York. Charlotte, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina. Atlanta, Philadelphia, Washington, and New Orleans are included in this risk for damaging winds and tornadoes. The line of severe weather will gradually push offshore by Monday night, though widespread damaging winds and a few tornadoes may be possible through the afternoon and evening before that. On the north side of this strong storm system, wintry precipitation continues to plague parts of the upper Midwest, Great Lakes, and New England. Winter alerts remain in effect for 9 million people, including in Green Bay, Wisconsin, Marquette, Michigan, Burlington, Vermont, and Portland, Maine. Snow totals as of Sunday morning included 10 inches in Fletcher, Vermont, and Morrisonville, New York. Heavy snow and ice will continue to affect parts of eastern Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan through Sunday night, with gradual clearing by Monday morning. North Trowbridge Park, Michigan, recorded nearly 14 inches of snow in a 24-hour stretch by Sunday evening, according to National Weather Service data. Continued power outages and additional tree damage are likely in this region.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments.